Hey, this is Sell This Now. Every day I'm looking for new products to sell. So here's my top winning products of the day. Our next product is the Pool Portable LED light. Now this is a problem solver. It definitely has that wow effect and it's an evergreen product, but it's also a good product to sell during the summer season. It's portable and can be brought outdoors for picnics or camping, and it falls under the home decoration camping niche market. We also think that this item has a broad market base. And we also think that this item has a lot of untapped potential. So far there haven't been many orders on AliExpress, so you could definitely take advantage of this. And it's a very good product to bundle or to make a special offer. People will usually buy more than one piece. Now the selling price for the Pool Portable LED light is just under $18, whereas the product cost is only $2.65. Shipping will set you back $2.12. So you're looking at a good profit margin of $13.22. Sell this now. Our next product is the Summer Inflatable Floating Chair. Now this is a cool product with a definite wow effect. It's the perfect product to sell during the summer season, and it falls under the floating toys, pool, holidays, camping niche markets. We also think that this item has a broad market base. Now last year I sold a lot of floating hammocks and it was a winning product for me. This one is a similar product and it looks very good. And it's perfect for a one product store or to build a brand around. Like the floating hammock, this product is perfect to bundle. People love to float together in the swimming pool or in the sea. And finally, this item has a high perceived value and it will give you a good profit margin. Now the selling price for the Summer Inflatable Floating Chair is just under $37, whereas the product cost is only $9.99. Shipping will set you back $3.87, so you're looking at a very good profit margin of $23.13. Sell this now. One app to rule them all. If you started Shopify Dropshipping and you already set up your store, there is one app you absolutely need. This app is called Vitals. It's an all-in-one Shopify app that combines more than 40 commonly used apps, product bundles, volume discounts, sticky add to cart, currency converter, product reviews, and the list goes on and on. Vitals is always the first app I install every time I create a new store, and it makes me save a ton of money. And at the moment, if you register to Vitals with our link, you will get 45 days free trial instead of 30 days. Click the link in the description to try Vitals for free. It will be the best app you've ever installed on your store. Our next product is the custom printed reusable face mask. 3 pieces. Now this is a problem solver. It definitely has that wow effect and it's the perfect product to sell during the pandemic. And it falls under the self-care niche market. Now what's good with this product is that you can target any niche as long as you have the appropriate design. And we think that this item has a broad market base. Now I've recently seen many shops starting to sell those print-on-demand face masks. And print-on-demand products take less time to be shipped. And it's perfect for a one-product store. Now the selling price for the custom printed reusable face mask 3 pieces is just under $35, whereas the product cost is only $13.95. Shipping will set you back $5.49, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $15.55. Sell this now. Our next product is the 6 pieces LED Magic Whiskey Glass. Now this is a cool and quirky product with a definite wow effect. It's an evergreen product, but it's a cool product to sell during the summer season as it's suitable for parties. And it falls under the party kitchenware gadgets niche market. But we also think that this item has a broad market base. And we think that this item has a lot of untapped potential. There haven't been many orders on AliExpress, so you can definitely take advantage of this. And it's perfect for a one product store. and this kind of product can get a lot of engagement via Facebook ads. Now the selling price for the 6 pieces LED Magic Whiskey glass is just under $35, whereas the product cost is only $17.29. Shipping will set you back $4, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $13.70. Sell this now. Our next product is the Silicone Orthopedic Bunion Corrector 2.0. Now this is a problem solver. It's an evergreen product, you can sell this all year round, and it falls under the self-care niche market. We also think that this item has a broad market base. Now we already presented at least 2 other orthopedic correctors on this channel. Those products are selling very well right now, and this product has very good reviews on AliExpress. It's perfect for a one-product store, and finally, it's a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders. Now the selling price for the Silicone Orthopedic Bunion Corrector 2.0 is just under $20, whereas the product cost is only 91 cents. Shipping will set you back $2.63, so you're looking at a very good profit margin of $16.45. Sell this now. Our next product is the plastic wrap dispenser. Now this is a problem solver. It makes it easier to use the wrapping rolls, and it's an evergreen product. You can sell this all year round. It falls under the kitchen accessory niche market, but we also think that this item has a broad market base, and there are lots of high quality photos on the suppliers page. It's also a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders, and it's perfect for a one-product store. Now the selling price for the plastic wrap dispenser is just under $30, whereas the product cost is only $11.42. Shipping is completely free, so you're looking at a very good profit margin of $18.57. Sell this now. So now that you've built your store, running ads and get some sales, what about increasing your Shopify profits on autopilot? Sweet Upsell is a Shopify app that will work in the native Shopify checkout. Its mission: squeeze as much money as possible from your customer. Order bumps, bundles, and even post-purchase upsells will allow you to easily increase the average order value. So why do without? And the best part, Sweet Upsell is 100% free until the app generates you one sale. The link is in the description. Now let's get back to it. Our next product is the Blue Bear Toilet Deodorant Treasure. Now this is a problem solver. It definitely has that wow effect, and this product can be flushed more than 2,000 times. It's an Everblue product, and it falls under the household niche market. And we think that this item also has a broad market base, and it's a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders. And finally, it's perfect for a one-product store or to build a brand around. Now the selling price for the Blue Bear Toilet Deodorant Treasure is just under $20, whereas the product cost is only $5.75. Shipping will set you back $1.07, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $13.17. Sell this now.